Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm gonna talk about the famous plant, the croton plant. Croton plant, the scientific name is Codiaeum variegatum, also known by various names like garden croton or variegated croton, croton variegatum, etc. It's a species of the plant in the genus Codiaeum. It's a native plant to Indonesia, Malaysia, Australia and the western Pacific Ocean islands, but it's an evergreen plant with colorful leaves. In tropical climates, crotons make attractive hedges and potted patio specimens, valued for their striking foliage, that is, colorful leaves. They are mainly outdoor plants. Before I proceed, though the plant is attractive, it is a poisonous plant and can cause skin eczema in some people. The bark, roots, latex, and leaves are also poisonous. The plant contains an oil which is violently purgative, meaning it can cause severe diarrhea, that is, loose motions, and is suspected of being a carcinogen. Consumption of the seeds can be very fatal to children. Regarding the growth of crotons, they can grow up to 10 feet tall when grown in soil. They are most often grown as house plants in pots, and they reach a max of about 2 to 4 feet in container gardening. There are many varieties available in varying sizes, leaf shapes and colors. Due to their light and humidity requirements, these plants can be somewhat difficult to grow successfully indoors. With little extra effort, though, it is possible, like you may need to shift them regularly to expose to sunlight for few hours in a week and so on. The points to remember are: make sure your croton gets a lot of humidity. You can make a humidity tray using pebbles. I'll make a separate video on this later on. Second is, do not set the crotons near doorways or heating vents. If the croton starts dropping its leaves after they become yellow and dry, the humidity is too low. Make sure your croton is exposed to a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Water croton plants with room temperature water. You should water them as soon as the top of the soil becomes dry during the spring, summer and early fall. These are tropical plants and cold, fresh tap water can stress them. Pour the water evenly over the potting soil until it begins to drain from the bottom hole, and this watering depends on the season. Look for signs that your plant is not getting enough or is getting too much water. A croton plant's leaves will turn yellow and drop if it is being watered too little and if it is being watered too much. Croton plants do not normally require fertilizer in summer. You can add 5 to 10 crystals of NPK 20-20-20 fertilizer once in 15 days. Watch my NPK crystals video on YouTube. Repot crotons if they have outgrown their containers, like root bounding, which needs root pruning and repotting. Soil may not be required to change as there is no expiry for soil. You can just add compost to it or NPK crystals. You can suspect that it needs repotting when there is slowed growth or there is root bounding. Now coming to the propagation of croton plants, and also you can grow them from seeds. Crotons are easily propagated with cuttings in spring or summer and rooted at 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. Croton plants can also be propagated by air layering. They can also grow from seeds indoors at any time of the year, when you maintain a temperature of 75 to 80 degree within the growing medium until germination, which takes about 30 days. So that's all in this video, friends. See you in my next informational video. Till then, take care.